At least he said I got the concept of it. So I'm like, okay, that's better.
Yeah, so just basic questions. We'll cover some basic questions. It will habituate to you also, at least.
Sure, sure. I think I'm understanding it, but it's just the terminology. I think I'm a bit weak. So he's like, you need to work on the terminology. I said, like, okay.
Yeah. So, what is exactly the difference between private cloud and VPC?
Private cloud and VPC. Um, Hold on. Now I'm like, okay. VPC is virtual private cloud. So, um, okay, so inside VPC we have like two like multiple subnets you can have. One is a public subnet and one is a private subnet. For public subnet, you need a internet gateway to access, and in for private subnets, you need a NACL, which will work as the internet.
Mm.
Um, so private is basically you don't give access to the world. For public, you need to have a public what do you call that, IP address and private IP address. But private subnet, you will just have the you know private IP address, and which can be accessible only to admin and something like that, where you have anything called um, baptism, something like that. So,
Yeah,
what was that word?
VPC, a VPC and private cloud in the sense it's a complete whole environment. Okay,
Yes.
it's like whole cloud environment which is used by the organization. Okay, on premises or hosted by provider, something kind of. But
So,
if it comes to
okay.
VPC, if it
Mm-hmm.
comes to VPC, it is virtual private cloud. It will be isolated from the network, different network.
Network. Mm-hmm.
Okay, where it runs like a shared public cloud infrastructure, right? So for suppose, as I already told you many times, different examples. So you do have a multiple projects. Okay, to need to if you want to isolate, there is no if condition first of all. See,
Mm-hmm.
that's mandatory actually. If you want exactly, your project must be isolated from others. Otherwise, it will
Others.
be club all
Mm-hmm.
together. Then what happens if you mix it up all the projects? It will be again the problem. It is a big problem. It's a conflict happens, right?
True. Mm-hmm.
So private
So
cloud
it's
is
like, okay, when you ask what is VPC, so I should say it's a virtual private cloud, which is isolated network where you can launch
hmm,
like resources, AWS resources.
yeah, you can say yeah. I'll give you bit difference. Private cloud
Mm-hmm.
is nothing but a private cloud is a cloud environment dedicated to a single organization. Okay,
Okay, okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
VPC is nothing but a VPC is logical isolated from the other projects, other networks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if
Okay.
it is single project, that's fine. Private cloud, you can run everything there. But if for suppose if you have a multiple projects, okay,
Mm-hmm. Multiple
then
applications, yeah. Mm-hmm.
multiple applications. Then if you club all
Mm-hmm.
together, it will confuse. It will create a big confusion. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right. So it runs a like a VPC runs a shared public cloud infrastructure. Isolation is enforced by the software. Okay, like
Mm.
IP ranges, IP subnets, routing,
Obviously. Okay.
firewalls, security groups, like that. Okay, so isolate
Okay.
completely. Your project is completely isolating from others. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
so your project, your network, your subnet, your VPC, your public, your private, all separate from others.
Mm. So it's like a private gated community, like in.
Yeah, you can say, you can take like that. Okay, suppose if it is a private gated community, your house is separate. You are not going to go other
Yeah.
house. You are not going to use others bedroom, right? so
Yes.
others kitchen, right? So it's
Hmm.
completely, it's your personal. So if it is a gated
Okay.
community, you can take your house is completely your private house, and
Mhm.
remaining all others also same. They will also feel same like that, right? So
Yeah.
one each other cannot be clubbed, completely isolated from others. That is the
Okay.
purpose. Okay, that is the purpose of VPC.
That is the purpose of the
Okay,
VPC.
so
Okay.
what is CIDR?
CIDR, the full form I'm not sure, but that gives the range of IP addresses. Um, um, okay. Okay, and
Classless
also
inter-domain.
it tells you how big or small the network is. So the number, yeah, something like that.
Classless
Yeah. Mhm.
classless inter-domain routing. You just keep in
Okay,
mind this
classless.
abbreviation also people are asking.
Asking, yes, yes, yeah.
So
Classless.
this is also asking. This is really astonishing thing.
Mm,
They are asking, no doubt at all. If they ask, definitely you need to have
of course. Mhm.
idea,
So
right?
classless inter-domain
Domain
routing.
routing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Classless inter-domain routing. That is abbreviation.
Okay. So the smaller number, the CDR is basically the IP address slash the CDR, you will have it. The smaller number it is, the bigger network you will have, and the bigger number you will have a smaller network. Like slash 30 means that you have like 34 minus 30, which is 4
No,
to the
34. It's
power.
higher,
No,
higher,
32,
higher
right?
it is.
32. Yeah.
32. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So it's like four network you have,
Yes,
four
yes.
IP addresses basically.
Correct.
Yeah.
This is a final. This is final. CIDR highest range is that much only. Whichever
So
final
yeah,
highest
32
range,
is the final. Yes. Mhm.
highest range we have taken.
Yes.
8 is also is there, but it doesn't allow. I guess. I think it's about I think
Okay.
16 lakhs 77,000. I think like that. Some 1 crore
Yeah. Oh,
67. I think 1 crore 67 lakhs 77,000 to 14 something is there. I guess 16 lakhs will be there exactly.
okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
8, so slash 8, if you, maximum 8 to 32 total. The
8 to
range
32.
is
Yes.
8 to 32, but nobody will use 8. It won't, no, nobody will allow in the projects, first of all.
Yeah. Yeah. Small project also you need 16
Yeah,
basically, and then you need uh,
yeah, 16 is more than enough.
28.
24 also good. So
Mhm.
some small projects they will use 24 like that. So most probably 24 and 16 will be useful.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, so this classless inter-domain routing. It's a way to define the IP address ranges using a
Okay. Hmm.
prefix, something called slash 16 8 32 24 30 something like that. Based on this prefix only, the IP addresses will be decided.
Decided. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
that's what you can say. And what is public subnet? What is private subnet?
What is public subnet and what is private subnets? Okay. I think, as I said, the public subnet, it has it's available for everyone. Mostly like applications and everything you will put in the public subnet, where the range of IP address you will give, which is a public one. Um, yeah, a subnet is public. It has the route to and internet gateway it's needed to get into that.
Yeah, well
And
tried.
private subnet is basically it's not available for everyone. It's a privacy things. So you will keep like databases and some stuff which you are not, which will not be given access to the everybody else.
Well try, well try. But this picture will not, they will not show this picture. So,
Yes.
so then at the time you should be explained technically. So whatever you explained just now, that is in general. Okay. So how to elaborate this public subnet in the sense, okay, it's a route to, this is public subnet, right? I have created if I create a public subnet, that public subnet always connect with the internet gateway.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, as and when you connect with the internet gateway, so then it will be allowed to the internet will be allowed to the public subnet. Okay,
Okay.
so then everyone can be able to access, which means internet gateway allowed to 0.0.0.0.0/0, which means public
Yes.
can be
Mhm.
access, anybody can able to access. Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Mhm.
so the instances may have in a public IP, whatever instances I keep in the public subnet, so all the instances will be in a public. So you can able to share with this public IP to the domain, and domain you can able to synchronize with the IP address to the domain, that domain can able to access by the public or people.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
so you can say that simply public subnet is in public, so which will be connected with the internet gateway. Okay, internet gateway in
The
the sense,
routing.
yeah, internet gateway in the sense internet, you are going to
Yeah. Yeah.
you are going to connect with the internet, public internet.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so where we will use this public subnet in the sense load balancers, bastion or jump server. Okay, and web servers, where we are using web servers, right?
Mm-hmm.
For web servers we have used public subnet, for bastion we have
Yes.
used public subnet, for nat we have used public
That we have
subnet,
used public
and
server. Yes.
anything I missed, and that's it. So you can say the public subnet knows that to talk to uh, internet. Okay,
Internet. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
what is private subnet? No direct root connection with the public.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
no direct root connection to the public in the sense internet gateway. I'm saying public in the sense
Yes.
internet gateway. There is no
Internet gateway.
direct
Yeah. Got
connection
it.
with the private subnet here.
Yeah.
So that makes it
Cannot be accessed basically directly from the outside.
yeah
To
instances.
access, we need to have a NAT.
So whatever the
And
instances
that.
in the private subnet that cannot be accessed by the public and others.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Often we use NAT gateway, NAT gateway to give the internet access.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. We have seen that, right? Okay. Application.
Yes. Yes.
What are the use cases? In the use cases like databases, application servers. Okay. Like APIs. These kind of categories related stuff we're gonna keep in this private subnet.
And how about S3? I mean, storages
S3
basically. I
public.
think
S3 definitely it
goes
is a
in both
public.
ways, right?
Yeah,
Mm.
S3
Okay.
should be in a public. S3 always public because whatever you keep the content for suppose
Mm-hmm.
this whatever the data is there, right? Okay, for website is there for us. Okay, that
Mm-hmm.
website is synchronizing with the S3 bucket. I am storing the images in the S3. S3 is actually nowhere direct connect with the public. Okay,
Public.
S3 is
Okay.
for
Mm-hmm.
internal purpose. Whatever the images or videos, example YouTube is there.
Mm-hmm.
Does public enable to use YouTube S3? No, right?
No, no. Mm-hmm.
These guys, whatever database you guys are using S3 indirectly, so they are whenever they want to, they just completely connect with the API, front end and back end. So they are
Mm-hmm.
keeping one storage. Okay, this warehouse you can say. So they are keeping whatever their images, their videos, their files, folders, etc., etc. That's kind of complete storage.
Okay, okay.
It's a
Mm-hmm.
kind of you can say it's your hard disk. You got D drive, C drive like that. D not C drive, D drive or external hard disk you can say. So like that,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
right? I think that's fine. So what is inbound rule and what is outbound rule?
Inbound rule and outbound rule. Okay. So this comes in when you are creating a EC2 instances rules. Basically, when your instance is created, you have a people inbound rules where you can give an access to enter, and outbound is the person for leaving. It's like a security group. Incoming traffic and outgoing traffic. So incoming traffics are when you open like ports like SSH and stuff like that. Even you are giving like for a public subnet, you are giving a port which is SSH for everybody. So zero, yeah,
Yeah,
that's what
exactly.
it is.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm. And
almost. Yeah,
outbound is like you're controlling the traffic. Who I mean, uh, yeah, controls the traffic who can leave the resource basically. Uh, who, yeah, yeah, is that what it is?
yeah, almost actually. So for suppose,
Okay.
I'll give you one example. Okay,
Mhm.
so better if I have a pen, I can better explain well. I think this is
Okay.
Zoom, right? So then I can utilize Zoom. Where is Zoom? Yeah, let me keep little bigger. Yeah, let me take this. Okay. Mm. So so this is a server, right? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
he is a user. Who is his name? He is I think Sultana.
Okay.
I don't know, don't look at spelling. Sultana is here.
Mm-hmm.
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
Sultana is using her laptop. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the content it is having in the EC2 instance, correct? Some
Yeah.
website, this is one website,
Mm-hmm.
www.xyz.com. Okay, so this is a website. It is there inside our public subnet, which is it is in server. Okay, that is
Yeah.
fine. So Sultana want to go inside this server, right? Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Sultana want to go inside this. Okay, if she want to access, if she want to access it, and she need to come back. Whenever Sultana is trying to access, first she will talk to the inbound rule.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, inbound rule will be there. Okay, for example, 80 port. Okay, inbound
Mm-hmm.
80 port. Okay, and this request goes to the first 80 port. Okay, then you are
Yeah.
allowed. Okay, that's fine, you allowed 80, and the request goes here and it will load, and it needs to come back, it should come back, right?
Yeah.
And
Mm-hmm.
again outbound rule will be there.
Yes.
Okay, outbound rule is also 80. Okay,
80.
for
Yeah.
example,
Mm-hmm.
if you block this, suppose
Mm-hmm.
it is blocked, then what happens? Sultana can able to enter this. Okay, Sultana can
Mm-hmm.
able to request it, but response should not get back.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, she
So
can able to request, the request reach to the server, but outside the response will not get back.
yeah.
Okay, so in this case, this is not again working. Let me clear all again. I will take one more. That's why no rush. If we have a rush, we can't, we will
Mm-hmm.
miss
Yeah.
more
Yeah.
examples. Okay, so this is a request, inbound request gone. First initially Sultana requested to some something, example www dot xyz.com, for suppose. This is
Yes.
she requested this, so the response will go because you allowed 80 port. Okay, the server is actually allowed 80 port. Okay, that's fine. Okay, response came. Again I also allowed outbound also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then whenever she requests, it will load and it will response should come back.
So
Okay,
it will load for me. Mm-hmm.
yeah, it will load and whatever response is
So,
this, it responds, along with the response it will come back the response. So whenever it is
mm-hmm.
opens only, Sultana can able to access www.xyz, the content also she can able to access. Clear?
Access, retrieve, and
For suppose
everything.
you blocked 80, first of all just forget about outbound. In
Mm-hmm.
starting
Inbound
itself you
only.
could not able to enter, you could not able to access it, you will get error,
Mm-hmm.
simple error, you will get simple
Mm-hmm.
error. That's it. So this is called as inbound and this is called outbound. It's like a
Okay.
entrance gate and exit gate. Already I explained with
Okay.
the theater example,
Theater. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm.
right?
No,
So
I understood, but only thing is that my terminology is still not up to notch, so I need to
no, that's
practice on
okay.
that one.
That's no problem. I'm just looking where is this button where to stop and close. Oh, it's gone here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let me remove. Okay. I'll remove this. Okay, that's fine. So that's good. Let's move. That's enough
Yeah,
for today. Tomorrow I'll ask
yeah,
different questions.
sure.
All right. So we have talked about yesterday EBS. Did you remember anything? What is EBS?
Yes, it's a storage thing,
Hmm.
um, and it's attached to the EC2 instance. So
Elastic block storage.
back, yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So earlier before this EBS, we have talked about AMIs first.
Yes.
What is the what we have done with the AMI yesterday? Amazon Mission Image. By taking help of this AMI, Amazon Mission Image, what we have done, whatever the files which are having with me in the, for suppose if it is a software or else booting files or else anything backup files, I just by taking help of image AMI, I just copied
Hmm.
into particular region. Okay, that region
Yes.
people.
Oh, yeah. Hmm. And you shared it with the others.
Yes. Okay.
You
So this is
copy.
one region. This is Stockholm region. In the Stockholm region, so I have some files in this C drive. So next, so whatever the files are there, that file. One second. Okay. So some files are there. That files you may you just imagine that there are some booting files, backup files, operating system, or 1000 software, 2000 software somewhere inside this drive. So what you are doing, by taking help of this, you are creating AMI. Just simply you are creating on top of EC2 machine. If you see that actions, they you'll see that what is that. Okay, AMI, create AMI. By taking help of that, you create AMI. After creating that, you just simply you copy that, copy to particular region, which is Mumbai region. This is completely different region. Okay, this is Stockholm region and this is Mumbai
Mhm.
region. Both are different regions. So we are sharing the files in between two different regions. Clear?
Yeah. Mhm.
So this is what we have discussed yesterday, and today we are going to discuss about volumes.
Okay.
Oh, okay, fine. Right, that's fine. Okay. So yeah, let me open. So just imagine same.
The volume is also an uh, storage.
Yeah. So this same kind of same word, whatever the volume terminology is there, this you'll talk about this volume in Docker. You are going to
Hmm.
talk about this volume in Kubernetes. Okay.
Okay.
It's a, volume is nothing but it's a kind of storage,
Okay.
right? So yeah, that's fine. So this AMI done. So next we will talk about volumes. Okay. So yeah, I will take this text. Oh my goodness, why it is getting black color? Volumes. I can take this 18, 36 enough. is this? One second.
Mhm.
It's okay, fine.
I think the box you have to increase. It's a background.
Yeah, something volumes. I'm using like this. Fine. Okay. So volumes. So what is volume? Okay. Volume is a kind of storage. Someone is shouting.
This comes under EBS, right? Elastic
Yeah, yeah,
block
yeah.
storage. Okay.
So we'll talk about volumes. First of all,
Yesterday you
EBS.
mentioned three types of
Hmm.
things,
Storages,
storages. One is
right?
object storage, and the other one is
First is object storage, file storage,
mhm,
and block
uh,
storage.
block
So now
storage. So
we
we
are
are.
talking about EBS volumes, right?
Oh, okay, okay.
EBS
That's
volumes.
different. And this
If
is
I
different.
can
Okay.
write, I can write first. But if you want to type, it takes time. Yeah, can you see? EBS volume.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what is volume? First of all, so in the EBS, elastic block storages, volumes are persistent. Okay. What is the meaning of exactly persistent in the general English word?
The same, like
It exists. Okay.
exist. Mhm.
Okay. Block storage for it is a block storage for EC2 instances. Okay. Um, Simple, that's it. EBS in the sense it's a kind of storage. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
EBS volume we can call actually. EBS in the sense it's a volume. There is no separate. We can call not only EBS. EBS is a name, elastic block storage. We can call EBS
Mm-hmm.
volumes. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
EBS is not different, volume is not different. Both are same. Okay. It is also block storage like a disk as we discussed. Okay.
Mm.
Data survives instance or stop or terminate. Okay, which means persistent in the sense hmm, persistent means temporary
Persistent is
storage.
continuously keep on doing persistently keeps.
In this context, persistent is nothing but it's temporary storage. Okay.
No, persistent means temporary means it can be deleted. It's opposite. Persistent means it's opposite.
Okay. Um, so data will be survive. Example, I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you. Suppose there is EC2 instance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if you turn it on EC2 instance only, okay, the data will be available. Okay. If you turn off or stop or terminate, the data
Mm-hmm.
will be deleted, right? So it is not permanent storage.
It's a permanent storage. Yes.
It's
Okay.
not
Mm-hmm.
permanent storage, I'm saying. Data is
Oh, it's not.
temporary.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
data
Okay. Okay.
survives data survives instance stop till the stop. Data survives until it's terminate. Okay. Whenever it's get deleted. Okay, and whenever it get deleted, the instance automatically, that along with the data, along with the instance, it will be deleted, right? This will be attached to the EC2 instance. Okay, this
Okay.
will be
Mm-hmm.
attached to the EC2 at a time. Okay, like input output I mentioned yesterday. Multi attach also we can do. Okay, availabilities zones we have, snapshots we have in this. Okay, it is for general purpose. GP3 and GP2 yesterday I have shown you. So purpose of this EBS is, see this one, GP2 and GP3. This
Mm-hmm.
is general purpose, we will use EBS volumes. Okay,
Okay.
so baseline I think I have used 10,000, but maybe it might be increased nowadays. It's long back I created this, so nowadays might be it increased. I need to check with the internet. The GP3 baseline might be more than more than I think 3000 or 10,000 like that. Not exact, I didn't remember the word, I mean exact figure. Okay, next it is a magnetic magnetic storage, right? And it's all about hard disk. Okay, it's all we are talking about. EBS is nothing but it's all about hard disk in your system
Hard disk
also.
and
In
okay.
your system also there is a hard disk, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you might so while you are buying a laptop, you will check all this stuff: how much storage is needed, how much RAM is needed, how much disk size, maybe it is 1 TB or 2 TB or 3 TB or 4 TB, whatever TB, how much speed it is, or whether it is SSD or HDD. Okay, you might have heard about all this stuff, right? So purely
Yes.
EBS talks about the storage of your system. However, your physical system have storage, the same thing EC2 have some storage, right?
Yes.
That's what it defines, nothing else. Okay, clear? That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
Next we'll
So
go ahead.
HDD is hard disk drive and
Yeah,
SSD is a solid
S-
state drive.
yeah,
Oh,
exactly, that's
yeah.
what. Okay, same yesterday. So let me go to here, let's check what are the topics. Yeah, volumes we have. So let's click on this volumes. Okay, okay, so before we create the volumes, we will talk about some snapshot. Okay, suppose this is EC2 instance, correct? In this
Yes.
EC2 instance, whenever you create image, the background automatically snap get created.
Yes.
Earlier, a long ago, we used to create the snaps individually. Okay, whenever you required, you used to create. But nowadays, what
Mm-hmm.
happened? They upgraded, like, so whenever you create a image, you might,
Automatically, it takes the
yeah,
snapshots and keep it
automatically
in
it
a clip.
takes the snapshot. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if you copy, also, snap will copy. Okay,
Yes.
and again, so the snap, whatever the snap is there, the same snap with content, whatever the content, the same content. Okay, like XYZ also it will copy. Same, it's complete replica of AMI. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so same, that will be copied to the here also, same, right?
Yeah.
And XYZ, whatever the content is there, that content will be, this is the name of the snap. Okay, the content will be copied. For suppose in this
Yeah.
case, for suppose there is a some thousand softwares are there in this, the same thousand software also will be copied as a snap. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so after, if you want to delete, for suppose if you just got deleted all this stuff, so okay, so for suppose AMI got deleted, any for any reason. Okay, for suppose any reason this AMI got deleted, so back
Mm-hmm.
end the snap already would be there, already will be there.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay.
By
Mm-hmm.
taking help of this snap, so we can able to create again this AMI.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so how already snap is there here, here also is there, here also is there. While you are copying it, already here one snap is there, here this
Mm-hmm.
snap will get created. Then by taking help of this, I think I can use this. Okay, by taking help of this. Okay, okay, by taking help of this, again you create this AMI.
Yeah.
Okay, taking help of this, you will create AMI, and after that, you know that once after creating AMI, again you launch on top of, by taking help of this, you will simply launch one EC2 instance. Whatever the features it has, it automatically it will replicate into the EC2. For right,
Okay.
so where we are
Mm-hmm.
using, in the sense, it's like it's a kind of EC2 instance, to create EC2 instance with the same specifications.
Just a silly question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Why do you want to take from the snapshot when you already
I
have
said right.
another?
In any case,
Yeah.
for any reason, if it get deleted while you are
Mm-hmm.
creating AMIs, Snap backend snap automatically created, right? Okay,
Yes, yeah.
so in that reason, if any reason it get deleted, you will take help from the snap, nothing else.
Okay,
That is the purpose of snap. Snap in the sense it's a backup.
okay.
Okay, so let's do one thing. Let us launch one instance now. Launch instance. Where I am right now? Asia Pacific Mumbai, not here. Where is my another EC2 instance duplicate? So yesterday I opened again. By default, it's opened Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
While I'm closing, I just kept Mumbai as my. While I'm closing, I kept
Region.
Mumbai region. Okay.
Yes.
So now it automatically it started with the Mumbai only. It
Mm.
doesn't know, right? Exactly, I'm belonging to
Yeah, yeah.
Stockholm.
Mm.
So you need to check with that. Blindly
Check with that.
you should not create any instances by without help, without seeing this regions. Okay. So where I'm currently, here is Mumbai. Here is, I don't know. I'll need to check it. Yeah, Stockholm. Good. I think this bastion and all. Can I delete? So it will create more. Public subnet. All. I'm deleting all stuff.
Yeah,
Tablet.
yeah, yeah.
So you know already all this stuff. Delete it. Linux also not required, I guess. Actually, you know what? I deleted my AMIs. I sensed that it would be cost, so that's why I deleted in the evening while
Mm-hmm.
I'm closing it. Okay, let's create a AMI. So can you help me how to create it?
Desk.
Simple
Okay.
create. Click on AMI.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
no. So this is for checking. I just want to utilize the instances. By taking help of instance only, you can create the AMI. Correct?
Yes, yeah. So first create the instance
Instance
in
already is there. I
Stockholm
just want to
variable.
start this instance. Already I have
Okay.
instance.
Okay.
So before going to that, let us keep some files in this, one or two files.
Okay.
Let's start this. Let this start.
Oh, by the way, I don't think we are recording today. Ugh.
Oh my goodness.
Anyway, we until now we were just going through question and answers, I think.
Yeah. Please remember.
Good, it's not recording.
Recording in progress.
You are lucky.
Yeah. I don't like my voice when it's recorded.
No.
So.
Do not say like that. You should love however you are. This is not right.
Yeah.
That's not right. You don't need to impress. You don't need to show that you are good to others. No need to show
Oh
that,
no.
right? However you are, that's just love. Simple. So I'm not look at I'm looking at like I'm not looking like Shah Rukh Khan, but I love myself more than Shah Rukh Khan. After that, anybody like Mahendra Singh Dhoni or Shah Rukh Khan or like that. Still
Salman
initiating.
Khan.
Salman is old, yeah. Shah Rukh laughs me at. He's like anything.
Oh, you're a Shah Rukh Khan fan. Oh, wow.
Shah Rukh Khan, he laughs. his laugh, and he laughs at people, and people
Mm.
it laugh at him. So like Chennai Express, have you
Yeah, yeah.
watched that
Mhm.
Chennai
Yeah,
Express?
yeah, yeah. Hmm.
It's one of the best movie. I love it. Not only Chennai Express and Band Bajao Bharat.
That's not Shah Rukh Khan though.
Who said?
Band by Bharat.
Yeah.
That's Anushka and Ranveer Singh.
No, no. charge karo. Oh, someone is talking.
No, no, no. It's my phone. Charging is almost completed, so it's automatically it
Why it
screams.
is taking this much time? I don't know. Today, let me refresh.
Yesterday also it took a lot of time.
Yeah, because I launched many instances, but I have very less. You know. Okay. Why it is showing like that? It's okay. That's okay. I'll do one thing. Let me copy from here itself. Sorry. Actions. Can you see? Image and
Yeah.
template. Actually, you should
Yeah.
navigate me what to do, but you're not responding. So can you please XYZ?
Mm-hmm.
Same. Yeah. So I'll keep it as usual everything. So normal name is not in cap and should be capital. And here the value I'll keep. Can you see this? It is already enabled.
Yeah.
The snapshot.
Mm, yes.
Okay. Create. But before doing this, I thought I would have created one folder or file. That's okay. And I created AMI now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the
So
AMI
once you
got
create
created
the
right now.
yes.
So whenever you
Mm,
create this, you see. Oh, let's let it run. Let it ready. Okay, without it's available, you should not do any operations, please.
okay. Refresh the page maybe.
Hmm. I'm just refreshing, but it will take time. Generally, it will take time. AMI is
Okay.
bit slow. This is not instance. It's just image.
Yes, that's still taking this much time. Mm, small image.
It's a replica. It's a kind of replica. Body double will be there, right? If
Mm-hmm.
somebody has body double, so he is not original one, right? Exactly.
Mm,
So heroes also, movie heroes also body double will be there for dupe, but they are not real ones, right? Something kind of AMI. This is AMI means it's exactly not easy to instance. You just take it as an image complete with all the specifications. You just made it ready as a image AMI. Okay.
yeah.
Then you just need to copy to particular place.
Particular region. That's it.
Yeah, place in the sense, yeah, region, exactly, that is a right terminology. Simply copy, but it should available. Still
Mm-hmm.
showing
First to
pending.
copy.
Yeah, I was little scared yesterday because so I won't delete today until this finish. So however the topic I should complete this topic. Whatever the time, I might be a bit slow, but I can complete this. Why I am slow in the sense I need to make you to understand the stuff.
Understand, of course, yeah. Mhm.
If I follow you, I will make more rush. But thing is, it doesn't mean right. So
No, no, I
here,
think I have enough things to practice right now. So this weekend, I think luckily, I don't have any parties or anything. So I'll be
please
focusing more on,
please do
yeah.
practice.
Next weekend, I will be busy. I have like few stuff, and my parents will be coming next week, I think, yeah.
Oh, that's fine, fantastic. It's available. Oh, is it really? Okay, some from Vijayawada.
Yes, Vijay.
Okay, fine. Copy AMI.
Yeah.
Okay, the same name. I'll use the same name. If you want, you can change. That's not a big deal. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
particular region. What is the region you want? I can do Singapore also. That's okay. Mumbai also.
Mm-hmm.
It is already available. It beside this. That's why
Yeah.
I'm just
Mm-hmm.
using Mumbai. Okay. If you want tags also, it will copy enable whatever snapshot encrypt snapshot. This is called encryption.
Encryption,
Yeah,
yes,
but
you're
I
right.
don't want to do all this stuff right now. If you want, you can utilize. Not a big deal. But I don't have anything in that. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now see here again. It is the tag image snapshots together. Let it be.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's copy this AMI. Okay. Here it is. Where we are currently. Can you see? In a Mumbai.
Yeah, you're in Mumbai. You have to go
Let me
to.
go to instances. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Let me click on AMIs. It's you got it. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Still pending. Let's make it ready. Should not create any instances on top of this AMI until it's get ready. Okay, while it is in a
Mm-hmm.
pending condition, please do not create any instances, please.
Okay.
Okay, once it is ready only you have to launch instance on top of particular image.
Okay. So basically, this is the time where you can go and get your coffee.
Yeah. If you want to carry on, please.
No, no, that's fine.
But I don't have coffee, that's why. In the projects they won't rush actually. They will do each and everything. They will verify each and everything.
Nowadays, they're rushing. I mean, they are
Ah.
taking a lot of work from one person. My
Mm-hmm.
last job, oh my God. I mean, it was a pandemic too. I was working at Ministry of Health pandemic project. Day and night we were working because of the new variants were coming. We have to put that in the. Uh, I cannot forget that. I mean, out of my 15 years of my career, that was the
Mm.
like high
Mm.
peak work.
Okay, okay.
No time to take care of anything. Luckily, my parents were there the whole time taking care of my kids because kids are well also not going school, right? They have like
Yeah,
homeschooling.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. Exactly.
but I kind of enjoyed that project because we used to talk to high level managements daily basis and their workload, their pressure.
Yeah. So is it like a website testing or any application?
It's CCM, case and contact management, where it's integrated with OHIP. OHIP basically, whoever went here, they have like whoever went for the blood test, they always all the blood test reports goes to one place. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
From there, whoever went for COVID testing, we have to retrieve that data and we have to put it in our system. So that's like
Okay.
integration part.
Okay, got it.
And a daily basis, we used to give the numbers who were like tested positive, negative, and retested. Like all those stuff. There is so
Every
much
day you need
like
to update, I guess.
every day. Yes, every night we used to have a deployment. The whole night we used to take care, like tested it out.
Yeah, background.
But
So backgroundly you should be always active.
yeah. Mhm. But all that work we did right now, it's just they are taking care as if it's a
Yeah, yeah, they are
some kind
just
of a
maintaining
flu.
it, I guess.
Yeah, flu. So that makes us like little bit.
Okay, that's great. But you got great exposure on top of that.
Mhm.
India up to bowl. Okay. Oh, that's fine. How much it will take? Let me refresh here.
I think it's just internet also is slow. That's why I think it's taking more
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Not that.
Mm.
No, no. My internet might be slow, but AWS internet very faster than anything. Its bandwidth is very faster.
Mm.
So I already sent a request, right? That should be happen from AWS now. So while my
Mm.
internet, when it happens in this, while I'm creating or clicking on any launch instances, that should not work at that moment. That
Oh,
makes my internet happens at that time. So when I was clicking here and copied everything successfully done, right? So
yeah,
background
yeah.
is pending, is from pending in the sense it's completely from AWS site.
Okay.
The process itself, it will take that much time for AMS. It's quite natural.
So right now we just copied one instance, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So every time,
yeah, it is available.
I have a question now.
Yep,
Only one instance at a time you can copy, or can you copy like two or
only
three?
one,
Because
only
only
one.
one at a time. Okay.
Yes, right. So it's done. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you got it right. On top of this, you just click on this. If you don't check this, it will be hide it. So just check it
Mm-hmm.
and launch instance from AMA. But I don't want to do it. Just I want to
Mm-hmm.
utilize it for another concept, EBS. That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So here, so first of all, I have to launch. Okay, I just need to launch instance in this Stockholm. Okay, let me launch the instances. Launch instance. My AMIs. Where are those? Here it is. Okay, so I'll keep instance number 2. This is enough, I guess. So my AMIs, can you see here? So this is my AMI. This is what which we got, XYZ,
Great. Mm-hmm.
right? This one is ours. Okay, one
Yes.
only one is
Yeah.
there, so automatically only one got selected. And T2 micro something free tier, whatever it is available, let us check, let us use. And this one, quite normal, I'll use the same one. And coming to the storage, yeah, here it is, the storage. Okay, so can you see here
Yeah.
already by
Already.
default you see 8 GB,
Yeah.
but you can see you can add your volumes here. Add volume here, click on this. Okay, um, GP3, can you see here? General purpose, how many types are there? Free tier, SSD, GP3 and GP2 for free tier. But
Okay.
SSD IOPS, IO1 is not free for you. Okay, and remaining all cold HDD is there. HDD in the sense it's very slow, very slow. That's why they kept it for
Mm.
free.
Three. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And this is not free. These two are okay.
Okay.
Let's keep GP3 only, not a problem. So then next what, I don't want to advance
So
also.
the one is the root volume, the other one it shows EBS volume. See?
Yeah, this is C drive.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Can you see this? This is root in the sense it's a C drive. This is a
Okay.
C drive
Yeah.
and this is a you can see extra volume. This is extra volume.
Extra volume, EBS
So
volume.
extra I
Yeah.
have taken to understand
Yeah.
you. That's why I have taken. Okay, anything tags, gigs, no, nothing else is there. That's fine, no problem. Let me launch instance. Okay, go to the instances. Okay, for this is getting ready now. So you see the instance 1, how many storages we have? Can you see here? How many?
Yeah. It should have.
Here how many storages we have? Only one. We have only
Only
one.
one.
This
Yeah.
is the one only.
Mm.
So you could see
Yeah.
that only one instance. Sorry, one storage. Let me go click on blocks. Yeah. So XVDA means it's a C drive.
Okay. Mm.
Without XVDA, rather than this, anything you see. Okay. If you see instead, except this XVDA, if you just blindly keep XVDA nothing but C drive, which means
Okay.
in a however you call in your system C drive, XVDA is nothing but in Linux language it's a C drive. Okay, in this you'll have all booting, all backups, all other stuff will be there in this. Okay, so but I'll show you again here for second. You can see here how many drives you have. Can you see here, right?
Two.
One
Yeah.
is XVDA and one is SDB.
STV.
So this is C drive. You can consider this is a D drive, not D.
Yeah.
It's a
Okay.
D drive.
D
Okay,
drive. Got it.
SDB means it's a D drive. Okay, if you create like this more volumes, you can keep D drive, C, E drive, F drive, like that. Many more. Okay, let us draw
DD.
here again.
Yeah.
Okay, I will take a copy of this. We just created this, right? Okay, that's fine. So by taking help of this, let us create some snapshot. Okay, so click on snapshots. First we will see snapshots. Okay, so this is the one in actions. Create volume from snapshot, create image from snapshot.
So right now we are trying to create volume, right?
Yeah, 1 second. I'm just trying to create volume or snapshot. Let us take copy snapshot, create volume from snapshot. One option extra given. Earlier actually modify volume, create snapshot legacy policy, and some kind of options I used to see, but they are upgraded and confusing me. Okay, now they changed options like this. Actually they updated this. Create volume from snapshot, create image from snapshot.
Basically, create volume from snapshot would be the
this is image, right?
storage.
In our context this is image, right?
Image,
so let us
yes,
take
yeah.
image from snapshot. Okay, so let's see. I'll click on this. Oh yeah, can you see image settings? So here you can keep some name, keep any name, any name, no problem. Snapshot, from image I can keep. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I'll keep same. Okay, and anything else? SD1, this is SD1. Okay, that's it. This is general purpose only. 3000 IOPS, input and output per second. The speed of that that is speed. Okay, so I'll keep, otherwise I'll keep here one I'll use simple names, ABC, something like that. This is also ABC. I'll keep. Okay, XYZ is nothing but that is actually from main image, right? So I'll keep like this ABC. That's enough. And tag is there. Let me use the tag also. Name here is name is not default, not getting default. But in EC2 instance you are getting default, right?
Yes.
Name, the same number which you use in the instance, the same it is. So successfully requested new image, something kind of we got.
The
Okay,
image is being created.
so which means we
image
created a snapshot, right? So let us
Yes.
copy this, the same. We created a snapshot. Oh. Waste time, waste. Okay, so this is snapshot. This is ABC. We created with the ABC. Okay. Okay. So this snap we created. From this snap, we will create. So this is what we are doing right now. Don't confuse. Okay. So this is what we are doing right now. So manually, I'm showing you.
Yeah.
Okay. So and here from here, you just need to copy. So it is ready, right? Where you need to find, for suppose you exit from this page, or else you came here dashboard where you want to see the snaps. Can you see here EBS, elastic block storage? Click on the snaps. You got one snap. Clear? Just click on it and actions. Actions. What is that? Copy.
Yeah.
Where is the copy?
Copy snap.
Now
Yeah,
copy
correct.
snapshot. Okay. That's fine. Snapshot copy. Description. This much bigger. Okay. I'll keep A, B, C. I'll keep like this. Region is what region you want? AP South 1 or something kind of. Region is AP South 1 is in the sense Mumbai. Okay. My dear AWS friend, what happened is actually he did not mention anything names like Mumbai or something kind of. Whenever you get whenever you understood, in the sense if you do more practice on regions and all, so you will get to know all this stuff. Okay, if you for suppose you just you don't know all this stuff, what is AP South -1, just go here and check here. Can you see? AP South, AP South -1 means Mumbai. So I want that only, right? So just simply select it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
that's it. And enough, I guess. This is destination path I'm saying. And if you want to, you can keep enable encryption also. No, I don't want anything. Just simply copy the snapshot. Where I have to check now? Snapshots.
You have to check in Mumbai again because
Yeah.
AP South one.
Yeah, snapshots. Click on snapshot. It is getting. So what is the name of our snapshot? Already it is there. Can you see?
ABC. ABC.
Yeah, ABC. This is manually we created. Clear?
Yes.
So earlier these are all default one. Automatically got created.
Wow.
Okay. So this one we have done manually. Remaining all automatically created. So this is yesterday's one. This is today's one. You can see the date. 30.
Date, yeah.
Okay.
30 and
Just now we created with the ABC, which is called ABC. When? Today, just now. And before I created one image AMI, right? At that time automatically got created this one. So for example, if you forget this, you will get more bill. Just be careful with the snaps.
Okay.
Okay, it is chargeable. Okay, that's fine. So you understood snaps, right? So when
it's automatically they're already saved, then why don't we
I
use the
have
same
shown
one? Why
you
do we?
why I used, in the sense I want to show you how manually we have to do.
Okay.
Automatically it is created. That's not till then we don't leave it, right? So if you leave this, you will
Mm.
forget next to how to do manually. That is
Yeah.
just need to know how to do it manually. That's the reason I just take it. Already it got deleted yesterday. That's why I created, and after creating it, just used. Okay. After creating, what I have done,
Got it.
can you please let me know the steps I have created
Mm-hmm.
by taking help of this image? What I have done? Hmm?
You created a snapshot.
I have created AMI first.
Yeah.
After that, by taking help of that AMI, okay, so I have created one EC2 instance.
Yes, and after that you copied that
Hmm.
AMI and you
From
put it
that,
in the
from that I copied from image to snapshot.
snapshot.
Image to
Yes.
snapshot I copied. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Like that. There is one option. One second. Not here. Image AMI. Not here. Where is that? Snapshot. I have copied from EC2 or AMI, right? AMI, right? Exactly.
Yeah, you
Sorry,
copied
sorry. I
from.
am seeing here in Mumbai. Oh, in AMIs. Here is my AMI. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So after by taking help of this only, I can able to create ABC, right? From the by
Yes.
taking help of this, I created
If
ABC.
XYZ, ABC, yes.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
right. So again, one EC2 instance. What is it? This is the one, right?
Yeah,
One
two.
second, one second.
It's the one the copied one.
Yeah, one second, one second. Click on this snapshots. Yeah, this is the one. And from here, you can see this option I was trying for. I have created
Yeah.
snapshot in the Stockholm. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that is destination path. We are actually searching a destination, correct? I just
Mm-hmm.
created one snapshot. From that, in the actions you could see create an image snapshot. If you click this, I have changed name it as ABC. Okay, correct,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So from that, I just copied to particular region. Okay, when I click on this, it will show, it will ask the details. I just used ABC, something kind of snapshot name is ABC something kind of. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
after creating snapshot, from that I copied. After creating a snapshot, okay, from that I copied, right? Okay, this is one. From that I have used here actions and copy
Mm-hmm.
to particular region, that is snapshot, copy snapshot. Yeah, from that we created, that is this one, and copy snapshot to the particular region. Okay, so this I need to copy again. So this is what I have to do manually. So you must know about this, and I have
So
created
instead
on
of
this.
ABC, you have to put it as XYZ. No. Mm. Actually,
Yeah, maybe name got changed. Okay, just be,
yeah.
while you are doing, just be careful with the naming conventions. Okay.
Naming conventions.
Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so I just created where is this, which is the place here, what is the place here, this one,
Mumbai.
Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is also Mumbai. Okay, this is
Okay.
manual
Yeah.
process, same actually. Here you will confuse,
Same
that's why
thing.
I have
Yes.
taken extra. Okay,
Okay. Got
so
it. Yeah.
in the
Mm-hmm.
Mumbai, this is Mumbai, that's fine. Oh, okay, okay, I don't have anything this ready. Okay, from that just I'll delete. From this, okay, from this what we will do, we, if you need to go Mumbai, on top of this, by taking help of the snaps, simply, where is that, ABC, correct? By taking help of
Yeah.
ABC, create a, you can utilize this, correct?
Yes.
Where we are currently, Mumbai.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how we create the snapshot. We created a snapshot. by taking help of this snapshot. Again we need to create, you understood right? We just created copy,
Yeah,
we
we just
copied
create
to
the
the particular,
snapshot. Now we have to create a AMI to.
yeah. So first, so far we just copied to the Mumbai, this copy happened. After that what we have to do, we have to create AMI again.
AMI again, yes.
So this AMI we need to create by taking help of this. See, you see snapshot in the Mumbai region. You just select this ABC and create a AMI.
Create image from snapshot.
Where is
And
that?
then create image.
Yeah. Volumes AMIs are there right here. One second. So this names
Here in
actually
south,
confusing in this names. I just you should use proper names. Okay.
XYZ is the main file basically. ABC is the copied one.
Yes, copied one, right. So you got snaps, means snap in the sense a backup files. Okay, you got this in the actions. Again we need to create a volume, copy snapshot, launch duration calculator, create a snapshot, copy snapshot. Again it is showing that. In the actions,
Because maybe because you can give it to somebody else from here, right? I mean, from other region.
we have to create a volume actually. I'm just looking for volume. Okay, snapshot, you got it. Oh, there is a volume here. We did not create volumes, right?
No, we didn't.
Okay, so let me check here which volume it is. 3000 GP3. Yeah, this is what automatically we got actually. One second. While creating, I will choose.
This was created yesterday. That's what it's showing. See, created on Friday,
So
January
we
30.
missed some. We missed somewhere something. We missed. Okay, wait. Singapore, you got something snapshot. But thing is, one point we missed actually. While you are creating a snapshot, the availability zone must be same. Okay, so otherwise it won't show. ABC is not showing here.
Okay.
ABC copied, ABC you got it, but you could not able to. What is this? What is this? One second, allow me something. Options also changed, my dear friend. What is this? Yeah. Earlier what I used to see, there are some options like delete to create a volume by taking help of this. So now it's showing like create. Yeah, it is there, right? Yeah, now you see create a volume from the snapshot, my dear. Thank God.
It was there before also.
Is it? But I could not see that. I always seeing is copy snapshot launch, and that's why I should not be hurry. Be cool. That's fine. So now you see that. My God. So you see, create a volume from the snapshot. I was searching for this option. My God. Okay. So now you create the volume. So what is the name of that? You can use a general purpose 8 GB if you want. You can
Copied.
increase it.
Use like copied name.
Volume. Yeah. Come again.
The name, maybe we can use something nice name instead of
This is just volume. Okay, volume in the sense it's a hard disk.
hard disk. Okay.
So it will be in a volumes only, no problem. So I can give in tags, no problem. Okay. In the tags I can give same. I am copying from ABC only, right? ABC only. Just now we created ABC. That's why I am using ABC. That's it. Okay. So now it will create. But take where we got this snapshot? It got from here. Snapshot actually came from Stockholm. Okay, some snapshot you created. Volume we created. So this is a volume, it is going to be created. What is the name of that? ABC. You got volume, right? Volume we created by taking help of the snapshot. We created a volume.
Mm-hmm.
So we created a volume, but we did not attach it to the any instance. Okay.
So far, yes.
Yeah, this volume actually we actually while you are creating one instance, you actually taken one extra volume, that right? This is what
Yes.
extra volume. Clear? This is extra volume.
Okay.
Okay. This volume, where you got this volume? This volume came from snapshot.
Snapshot.
Correct? Just now whatever we created right now, okay, but not attached. These two volumes, while we are launching the instance, you created this volume extra, while from the snapshot you created this volume extra. Okay, these two volumes are available. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, one more thing. So whatever the volume which you created, and it is created from the snapshot, right, that is available currently. Okay, and I will show you here. Instead of showing here and there, I will show you. Maybe you are confusing. I understood. I really sense it.
Because we are doing so many back and forth.
Yeah. So that's why I'm creating images. Okay, like these pictures. Okay, you see here we just created some. What is this? Mumbai, right? We should not see this Mumbai. So again, go to the instances in Stockholm. See here instances, right?
Mm-hmm.
In the instances, there is one more instance called 2. Second instance, at the time only we have extra created, right?
Yes.
So this one. Both are in use. Can you see?
Yeah, one is the automatic one, XVDA, which is the
So
C
we already
drive.
attached it to
The other
particular
one
instance,
we
right?
attached. Yes.
This volume while we are creating is while we are launching instance only, this volume got created, and which means
Yes.
two volumes here it is showing, in the sense two volumes are utilizing by one instance.
Yes.
In use, the same you can see here. So one is in use. This is extra volume, but it is in use. Okay. The one which you can see here, which is name called ABC, that is available. Why it is available? Just now you took this, you created a volume from the snapshot, correct? So how you got this volume? You got volume from the Stockholm, right? So you got this volume from here. You created a snap. From that snap, you created this AMI. So from that, no, not AMI, I think we created that's what we call snapshot. We created snap. From snap we created a volume, right? Okay, this volume is available right now. Okay, this volume is available right now. That
Available,
volume,
right.
yeah, exactly, this volume is available. So this volume we can able to use to any instance. Okay, so I'll do one thing. In the where I am currently, in the Mumbai.
Stop.
In the Mumbai itself, here in the instance, how many instances you have? Some one is there. That's okay. Just keep it as usual. I just want to launch one instance. Just forget about that. Whatever it is, just leave. Don't focus on it. I'm just creating one instance. This is one instance from the Singapore, right? I'll keep one number. Okay, this is normal instance.
We already
okay,
have 1, 2, right? Okay.
this is in Mumbai. 1, 2 is there in
Mumbai, yeah.
Stockholm. Mumbai,
Stockholm,
we are
yes,
creating new one, right? So I am not going to choose any AMIs. Okay, just I'll launch normal
So
instance.
here you have like 6. Okay.
Yeah. These instances, these are AMIs actually providing by AWS. My
AWS,
AMI
yeah,
actually
it will be
created
the
by
same.
our
No,
own.
no.
This is we created by our own. Clear? So I don't want to use any AMIs right now. Just normally we launch one instance. Okay, but you should keep in mind, if you want to utilize this volume, you must have this volume should be, and volume and your instance must be in the same availability zone. Okay, So yeah, let me create one second, let me go here, this volume, how many, which availability zone can you see here? AP South
South, which is
1A. So this instance should be in a AP South 1A only. Clear?
okay.
So edit settings. What is availability zone?
AP South 1A. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the one.
this is the one, right? That's awesome. Yeah, we don't need to, no need to change anything so far. That's it. Only availability zone is important here, and create one key pair. Volume key. I'll keep like this. Okay. Create a key pair. Right. Next. Normal storage I'll keep as usual. Okay, I don't want to disturb any storage here. Let's keep like that only. Okay. Launch instance with the availability zone 1A. Okay. If you see here instance whatever we have launched, if you see the launched instance, whatever instance is there in the storage, what you will find, can you please tell me?
You'll find yep,
What is this?
the
This is C drive XVDA. Okay,
CDS,
so now
the one
already
which gave
yeah, in my region in Mumbai already I have one volume is ready, right? Am I
yes,
right?
which
Where
was copied one. So other
exactly,
than that, you will have the extra one which you just created now.
yes. Now you see, can you see the option?
Yeah, better.
Okay, simply attach it to the particular instance. If volume and your instance both are in different availability zones, it won't attach, you can't.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay, got it. Right, instance, which instance? That's why you should be name, you should be very much
One.
careful. Yeah, so that's why.
Yeah,
So
the one.
naming, yeah, the one you see, right? Naming
Yeah,
or naming is very much important, is right? The
the
device
one
name,
which is.
whatever you want to choose, you can choose anything. I want to choose
Mm.
this one. So whatever you want, just take it. Okay, I want to take this.
So basically, this is how you can share the volumes as well. I
Yeah,
mean,
this is
from one
called as,
instance to
yeah,
other instance.
that's what I
Um,
was trying to say. Lastly, I will tell all the theory once after finishing it. Okay,
okay.
so yeah, I think this is fine. Attach volume, this already running, and this is fine. And also one more thing, important thing, this you must need to observe. Basically, while you are creating, while it is running instance only, you are attaching. That is one
Yeah,
of the biggest advantage. Okay,
of course. Okay. Mhm.
yeah, because if something problem happens, if you want to attach new volume, then it is a big
Mhm.
problem, right? But while you are, it is running only, you can able to attach the volume.
Attach volume.
Okay, so simple, attach the volume, that's it. Yeah, so now it will show whether it is used or available. Is it showing available or use?
In use, everything will be used because we already connected the
Yeah,
S1 to
yeah,
attached it, right? So it will be in use. Yeah.
it is
Why
insufficient
is it
data.
insufficient data?
It's okay, completed. Now you see it is in process, maybe that's why it's showing. That's okay, fine. So I attach to the particular instance which
Yeah.
is called, what is that name of that instance? One, right?
Now
Can
you
I,
shouldn't see anything which should be available for attachment. That's it.
yeah, now you see how many volumes it should have right now.
No, the one it should have two.
Earlier it was one, now you see,
Now it should have two. Yeah, there you go.
right? XVDA means it's a C drive. SDB means it is
The one which you recently attached it
which
from
is
the other one.
you can say this is D drive or extra volume. This is from volume. Okay. So you clear, understood? So this is how we can
Yes.
able to share the volumes from the snapshots. By
Okay.
taking help of the snapshots, we can able to create the volumes, and we can use that volumes for the instances. And when it is in a what is that, running condition. Okay. So now how to detach?
Click on actions again, and
Okay. So yeah, I'll tell you. So let me launch.
if you're
Let's
not using it, basically you can detach it.
yeah. Let's see that also with the practical. Let's see how to detach with the volume and how to attach with the other instance. Okay, how to detach it and how to attach it to the particular volume. Okay, let me launch one instance in Stockholm. Here only, right? One second, let me refresh this. All our looks big data. Suppose this is C drive, right? And this is D drive. If you want to detach the storage, sorry, not here.
Try to detach the drive first.
One second. Yeah, let me click on here. This is not the process. Let's do one thing. I'll do one thing. First of all, let us refresh. Okay, so I will launch one instance. Let me keep filter. I will filter running state. We keep like this. Okay, launch instance. I'll keep it as a 3. Okay, I'm not doing any experiments with the previous one. Okay, I'm just creating a new one. Running. Okay, can you see here? 1
Yeah.
2 3. Just now we created 3. Again we'll launch one more, which is 4.
Okay.
Fourth one, it is stuck. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm not doing anything, just simply launch the instance. Okay, it's created. Let me refresh this. So one more important point I'm going to tell you. So while you are detaching Okay, attaching you can do while you are running state. Okay, but detaching for C drives, I am saying why I have taken extra 3 and 4 in the sense there are some other drives also here for this 1 and 2. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
2 for 2 already
We
2
have
drives we have,
extra D drives and everything.
extra
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
drivers are volumes are there. That's the reason I am not using it. I have taken 3 and 4. Why? In the sense I have taken only C drive here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
3 and 4
Yes.
having only C drive XVDA, correct?
Yes.
So while you are running in running state, you should not, you can't attach, sorry, you can't detach the drives while in a machine running. Okay, while you are in a what is it? Not here. This is instance. Okay, it will not show the option here. You need to go to the volumes. Okay, that instance is running state, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll find out my volumes. This is Stockholm only. This is also Stockholm. Go to the instances. Okay, how you need to find a particular your exactly yours
Like,
volume, in the sense there will be ID. Okay, so I'll check with the first 3 volume ID. This only again instance ID. Let's check with
instance
this
ID
instance ID
maybe.
only. Yeah, so you'll see here 937C. 937C.
Have it.
It doesn't. It will
No.
refresh. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, here it is.
Because this is the volume ID, that is the instance ID, right? So different
No,
things.
no, every instance has a volume, right? So
But
default
we are
volume.
looking at the name
Wait, I'll show you. Wait. This is instant ID. It's still in initiating. Wait. Okay, it's getting ready. Let's say volume should have names. Okay. Okay, go to volumes. This is volume name, volume ID. This is volume ID. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This is the
Yeah,
volume
yeah.
ID,
This
so
is
it won't be
volume
the
ID.
same.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. So I'll go inside that EC2 instance. We'll find out the volume. Okay. So I'll go to the EC2 instance. Let me open 3 storage. In the storage itself, you can see the volume ID is 53A66. Okay,
And now it is there.
53A66. So this
Yeah.
is third volume.
Yeah.
Okay, this is third volume, and you see here fourth one. So storage. So I was checking in that actually. So I know this, but I was trying there only. That's fine.
C343.
C343.
First one.
Yeah,
First one.
C343. 41. Simple. We could find this, right? That's it. These two. So now what I was trying to say, while we are running the instances, can we able to detach it or not? Simple, right? Can we able to detach or delete? Delete we can't do. That's what I was trying. Maybe I was used detaching. Okay, let me try to detach also. After you detach the volume, you might still be charged for the volume storage. If you not longer need the volume, delete it and stop incurring charge.
Delete it to stop.
Yeah, incurring charges. Are you sure want to detach? Yes, we can. Yeah, maybe I was just little confused, and deleting the volume. You can't delete while running.
Mm.
So this might be I was using the detaching always. That's fine, and also not safe. Maybe if it is you can able to detach, but thing is better it should be in a stop state. Okay, because in the production it might there is some application might be running with that, right?
Running.
So
Okay.
in the production that is not safe at all. Okay, that is associated with the some applications, and it contains some data, so better you should stop that and you should take in the night
True.
times. We have to do that kind of. Okay, but running time you can able to attach the volumes. Okay, let us do better. Why should we keep in mind that doubt? Okay, I will try to detach this. I'm not deleting at all, so then let me use that simple 3. This is a instance. Let me go to the volumes. Here the third one, simply select this. Okay, click on detach volume, detach. Can you see this? Wow, thank God, I won with that word.
Way to detach volume because I need.
It is running root volume because this is not extra volume. this
Mm,
is this is EC2 volume. My God. Anyways, I'm not wrong at all. See this again. I'll try with the 4. Even though this option is enabled, but still you could not able to detach. Again same, you
so
can't.
first you need to stop that instance and then you
Yeah,
have to
now
come here.
let's see, let me stop this instance, third one only, right?
Mm,
Stop this instance, stop.
yeah.
Okay, so let me come here again. So I'll try to refresh the page. I don't want to see red color, that's why. Okay, see third one. Let me check here whether it is still stopping state. Oh, where is gone? Okay, okay, it is in running, right? Let me keep all states.
All states. Yes.
Yeah, you see here stopped, it is stopped. Then
Yes.
what I will do
No.
is, let me come here in the volumes. I will try to detach. Yeah, it will detach. Detached.
Yeah. Detached.
Yeah, detached in the sense
Correct.
it should be available, right?
Available. Yes.
It
Got
is
it. Yeah.
available,
Mm-hmm.
right? And the same 4 also. 4 also you have to do the same. 4 also you need to keep in stop state. Stop the instance. Stop the instance. It is taking too long time. Is it fine for you?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
So while you are watching this video again, you will be very much boring.
No, I think I definitely need to watch one more time because
See, it stopped. Okay, so now I'll try to detach. You could, you can. Oh, it's still in stopped state. Let me refresh the page. Stopping only. Still stopping only. Let us wait more few more minutes or one more minute. Let me refresh. Some smell is getting.
now it's stopped.
Is it stopped? Yeah, that's good. Let me go to the volumes. Again, click on volume. Again, you just simply detach the volume, detach it.
Now
Great.
there should be 2 available.
Yeah, it should be. If refresh the page,
Yeah.
both
Mm-hmm.
are available now, right?
Yeah.
So now we can able to attach these 2 volumes to any instance.
Yes.
Okay, so can we use this to attach to these 2 volumes to be attached to anything of any instance? You tell me. Or else can we use both or to the 4, 3 and 4?
Yeah.
For suppose this is 4, right? So I will use this 4 and 3 Okay.
volumes to the
Oh, sorry, I selected both. Okay. Let me try to attach this 3 to fourth instance. Whenever it happens, when it will happens, tell me. If the both availability zones are same only, it will happen. Otherwise,
same.
no. So
Yeah.
you see here, third one is 1B, okay, and fourth one
Mhm.
is 1B. By the God's grace, both are in same. I didn't check actually while we are creating instances. I didn't check the availability zone. That was mistake, but luckily it got actually. Okay, be careful. If you want to attach both both volumes, okay, to the particular instance, it must be in a same availability zone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let me do one thing. This 3 volume I am going to attach to the 4, right?
Okay.
Where is 4? Yeah, 4.
Numbers. Yeah.
Stop to state, but still I can.
Top one.
Okay,
Okay.
see here, this is the one XVDA. This is C drive
Mm-hmm.
only, right? C drive only
You
we
try.
have detached. Okay,
Mm.
and attach it to the 4. That's what I can do. I did, right? So what we have done, third one, so you can see here in use. Third one is in use right now. Third one volume attached to the fourth instance. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, again this fourth one also I will attach it to the fourth.
Same fourth instance again.
Yes, fourth stopped. Okay, same XVDA.
But
Why it is not?
XVDA will not be available because you already have the root, so you need to.
1 second, 1 second. Yeah, let's check. The device name is already used. Ah, okay, okay. So we have to change the name.
Mm.
Okay, we have to change name like this. So now it is available. Okay, both are same names, right? That's why it is confusion. Okay, already it has taken XVDA name. Okay, now I'll change,
Yes.
or else I can change different names, available names. Okay, SDB I'll take like this. Okay, now I can able to attach. No any confusion at all. So now I'll open to the 4. Let me refresh the page. Fourth instance, I'll open fourth instance. Okay, I'll open the fourth instance. You see the storage, how many? Can you see?
Yeah.
Both.
You need to both. Yes. The one from the third in third
Ah, ah.
and the fourth.
Now you tell
Mm,
me for third instance what it should be. Storage.
third instance it will be none.
Yeah,
Only 8 1. Yeah.
none.
None.
Exactly. You
None.
said correct. Absolutely right. None. So this instance all we have attached to 4. This
Four.
instance,
Yeah.
sorry, instance I am saying. This volume we have attached to 4. Okay, this sun is
Yeah.
here. Okay, so that's how. Clear? So this is how we have to attach and detach the volumes.
Okay.
This is important at all. 100% important. Obviously this is important concept. First suppose my question is, if both volumes are different availability zone, is it possible to attach it to the
No.
fourth? No.
No.
That is
No.
important one. Okay,
Yeah. No.
so be careful while you are attaching. It should be in a same availability zone,
Same
otherwise it
repair.
won't show. It won't show the instance.
Yeah.
Okay, instance and volume both should be in a same availability zone.
Got it.
Okay, so this is how we can able to create the volumes. Or instead of copying and all, just create a simple extra volume like this. Click on this. Okay, this is extra volume. Clear?
Yeah.
I'm just using it, and availability zone is I'm going to take 1A only because fourth is in that, right? And let's see 3 where it is. 3 where it is. 1B. Let me take 1B. Okay, let me take 1B. So this is volume. I'm just creating one volume. Tag, I'll keep tags. This is where tags helps. Okay,
Mm.
what is the name of this extra volume? This is for 3, right? I want to utilize for 3 instance. Okay, This is what my name. I just want to keep like this. Okay, simple. Now I'll create a volume. Simply I just created a volume here. I'm not copying it from snapshot. I'm not creating it anything from AMIs. Okay, simply we created a one volume here, which is this extra volume. Clear? Okay,
Yeah.
I just want to use this volume to the particular attach. It's not yet ready. Let it ready. Available. That's fine.
Available now. It
So
will
now
be.
I'll try to go to attach. You see, it is available right now.
Yeah.
Attach it to the
Mm-hmm.
what? 3, right? 3.
3 instance.
Yeah, 3 it is
Yeah.
showing right now. And with the XVDA, this is root only,
Yeah.
because it is nothing is available, in the sense you can able to consider this as a C drive.
Root only.
If it
C drive.
something is there, first
Then it
volume
will
it
be
will
other than
consider as,
C.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
first volume whichever you selected, that will be considered as a C drive. Remaining all you can say D,
Yes.
E, F, etc., like that. Attach
Mm-hmm.
volume. It is already stopped to state. That's the reason it could take. So again I'll go to the instances here. So what is that instance name? 3, right? 3 here.
Yes.
Storage. Even if it is stop to state, also not a big deal. So you
It
see,
should be in the use.
yeah.
Yeah. Attached
So
one.
right. So I will check here with the instance ID. Volume ID is 3CD4F.
3
Okay,
CD. CD4F.
3CD4F. This is
Yeah.
how
Mm-hmm.
we have to attach and detach the volumes.
Okay.
That's it. EBS done. EBS done.
Nice.
EBS done. Volumes done. Snapshots done. I'm pretty sure about it. 100% you will get confused without watching if you want to try. So you are trying,
Mm-hmm.
okay, that's okay. You just simply create a volume and you can attach and detach. But it's okay. But what about the volumes? What about AMIs? What about snapshot? You have to learn that also. That's why I didn't
Mm.
directly said this. Directly, I did not teach you directly.
Mm.
I did not directly will let you know how to create a volume directly and to attach. It is simple step, direct step. But thing is, first of all, you must need to understand the volumes, snapshots, AMIs first. AMIs you need to
Oh,
understand how you need to copy the data to particular region. Then after, from that we have created some snapshots. From the snapshots we have created a volumes. From that volume we have detached and we have attached to the particular instances. And also that
instance.
there is a direct method to volume. Simply you create a volume here, just simply attach it to the particular instance. That is also clear. I
Mm-hmm.
hope you understood.
Yeah. 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 Mhm.
But you should do practice.
Of course. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
without practice it will be little difficult to remember, I'm saying. Okay, if you want to recollect the information while you are giving an interview, that is bit difficult, because it's create a
Difficult.
confusion, especially a snapshot and volumes will be create a confusion. But this simply direct volumes create how to
If the names are a little bit more
yeah, you, that's what I'm saying. While you are creating, you just keep maintain some proper naming conventions.
conventions, yeah.
Okay, then you'll be very much clear. It is,
Clear, yes, yeah.
I understood. I can able to, if I keep A B C D X Y Z something X, yeah, I can able to understand. But while you are doing it, just make mention, you maintain some proper naming conventions, then it will be
Mm-hmm.
easy for you. For
Sure.
instances, for volumes also, keep some names properly for instances. Keep some names for volumes also. And while you are creating from the snapshot to volume also, that properly you maintain some tags. That is where tags helps.
Got it.
That is the reason tags are important also. This, it's a kind of labels. So
Labels.
however you keep kitchen, there are lot more options. I mean, lot more boxes will be there. And in the DMart and such kind of what I can say, I don't know in US what we will call uh, stores. Okay, they'll keep some
Mm.
labels, they'll maintain some labels, in the sense to recognize the particular thing, right? So
Sure.
that's all, Sultan. That's all about today's class. And
Mm-hmm.
so you have any doubts, you can ask.
No, think but today's class, I don't know if he's gonna put it. But still, I have good enough things to practice. I have pending ones, and they have loaded the previous ones, so which is good. So I have.
And I just got to know that you got all videos except one
Yes,
which I
yes, that's what
have.
I'm saying. Yes, everything they have given. Yes, except today's one.
And except not today's one. One which I have already taken without their permission, right? One class I have directly taken from the link.
Limk, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah.
That what is
Hmm.
that actually? That is theory, I think so. That is
That
theory or public
one,
subnet. What was that?
it was a theory only actually.
Okay, then fine, no problem.
Because you draw that picture, remember?
Yeah, exactly.
Mm.
Right. So all good, right? So do more
It's all
practice,
about
consistent.
how you create the VPC and the picture that you draw, the whole thing.
Yeah,
That's the one.
yeah. So almost done. Um, Not sure tomorrow I'll be available or not, as it is Sunday.
Even tomorrow, I want to take a break because I really need to
Hmm.
practice this one. So,
Yeah. Okay.
okay. And AWS is done now,
No,
or
no, no.
is
We
there
have
any
some
more
little
pending?
concepts. EBS done, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah, we have auto scaling
Yeah,
also.
auto
VPC
scaling.
done,
Okay.
IAM done. Okay, and monitoring CloudWatch is pending. We will do that. Okay.
Okay,
EC2
okay.
done. One. This is also done introduction. EBS
Of
done.
course, yeah.
Volumes and
Mm-hmm.
snapshots
Tabs are both done. Yes.
both done in the same class, and EFS is pending, and
Yes.
S3 is pending. Okay, it will take more or three, four classes, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
One,
Okay.
one, two, three, four.
Four.
No doubt at all. It
That's
will
fine.
take eight classes.
Eight
Okay.
more. Okay.
Yeah, because it's big. It's not small.
Big
Simple.
thing. Small. Okay,
You know,
okay.
lot of
That's fine.
concepts
Yeah.
are there, right?
Mhm.
S3, lot of concepts are there.
Because each day, one day we are doing theory, one day we are practicing. One day theory, one day practice.
Hmm.
So I think that's why it takes some
Yeah.
time. That's good.
But if I say everything in one class, it will take more time.
No, no, no. That's fine. This is good. Good pace. I don't want to rush it more now.
Yeah.
Um,
And if I
but
take
I
for
have
2 hour
one more thing to
class,
ask.
yeah, go ahead.
Um, After this, what is CI/CD pipelines
That's
for?
you have more time to discuss about this.
Okay,
Please keep
I
it
mean,
this question.
is that a part of this thing? That's what
No,
I'm
no, not. It's
wanna.
not a part of AWS. It's a part of DevOps tool. Okay, it's a part of
DevOps tool.
DevOps.
Okay,
So you have more
yeah,
time
we
to
did.
discuss about this. Lot of time is there.
Mhm.
So you are directly taking to in the sky.
No, no, no. I'm just asking because
CI/CD means continuous
after
integration, continuous
AWS, if we
deployment.
can start doing that, maybe
Yeah,
when you start doing a day ops, maybe we could start
so I'll
doing
tell you,
that
I'll
one.
tell you, I'll tell you. After this
Hmm.
AWS, you
Hmm.
we are going to touch with Git.
Git. Uh-huh.
Okay, that is one. I hope you heard and you know that already.
Yeah, yeah, a little
Correct.
bit. Yeah, of course. Yeah, when I
One
was.
little bit. You are a manual tester, right? Earlier,
But manual, yeah, not automation, right? For when it comes to automation, you will use that one a lot, right? So,
but we can complete this class very fast. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so that makes sense. Very good. Thanks. You are saving my time too much. Okay, so this shell
You
scripting
will.
also we can cover. Okay,
Okay.
this shell script. How many? You see how many tools are there? Shell scripting is one tool. One tool in the sense it's a scripting language. Okay,
Scripting language,
this
yeah.
and Git is there two, and Maven is there three,
Maven
and
3, yeah.
Tomcat 4, 5 Apache,
Mm-hmm.
6 SonarCube,
SonarQube,
Nexus
wow.
7. Oh my goodness. Okay, and Jenkins. This is where you come.
Jenkins.
CACD comes here. So last,
Mm-hmm.
you see, you need to
Yes.
understand
Okay.
all those concepts. Then only you can able to understand all this stuff. I don't know why it is getting.
Okay.
Okay, so after that, this servers and all. Okay, that's fine. Maven project something kind of. That's fine. And this
After
plugins
Gen.
and all. It will cover. Okay, so we'll cover all this stuff. So this they kept lot actually. We're gonna cover it after the Docker.
Docker, yeah.
and after that Kubernetes. This takes, I'm pretty sure this takes minimum 3 months if you learn properly.
Kubernetes.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's a big one, very big one. Okay, and Ansible, oh my goodness. Okay, Ansible also is there. So if I teach properly without rush, it will take more than 4 months, but I have to take in fast track because there is a time limit, right?
Hmm. I don't know if they given me any time limit. I think
Uh-huh. Okay, okay. All right. That's okay. Don't look at future. Just look at today only. Okay.
true.
So
Okay.
do you have any deadline for this to complete it? I mean,
No, I don't. I mean, as far as I'm still looking for a job, so until then,
okay,
that's fine.
no problem. So until then, we can cover most probably main things. Okay, I will not follow this
Main
sequence.
thing.
I know how what
Yeah, yeah.
sequence I need to follow. Don't worry about that.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah,
next we
mainly
can.
that's what I wanted to know, the CI/CD one, because that's one
That's
they
what
are
I'm
asking
saying.
in.
That's what I'm
Hmm.
saying. I'll tell you. So I'll tell you. Where is that? Yeah, this is the one. Okay. So next we're gonna discuss about shell scripting. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, Git. Okay.
Hmm.
Next, GitHub. Both are same. Okay. Git and
Both are
GitHub.
same. Yeah.
Okay. Related to that. Next,
Hmm.
Docker.
Yeah.
Next, Kubernetes. Better we can complete
Mm. No,
before
no.
this. You just
Yeah.
use Jenkins.
Jenkins. Yeah, we need to get the Jenkins
Jenkins
there. Yeah.
CI/CD. Okay. After that,
Yeah.
Docker and Kubernetes.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, whatever they added extra, we'll see.
Ansible and all that stuff. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
next Ansible. Yes, Ansible. Correct.
Ansible.
You are said. So remaining thing, whatever it is there, we'll see that. Nexus and whatever.
Okay.
Okay, those I actually added more masala in that also. No problem. Okay. So
Shell and GitHub,
whatever it is
maybe two
important to
classes are
you.
enough.
Yeah. So come again.
Uh, so another four classes for AWS, and then two classes for
Another
Shell
four
and
classes
Git.
you are saying for AWS. It will take more 8 classes.
Eight classes. Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Mm.
Four topics I meant.
Mm-hmm. See this EBS how much time it took.
It took, yes, yes, yeah. Hmm.
My intention is to teach you better understanding way,
Better understanding, of course.
not to complete this. Okay, if I want to complete, I can complete it, but it's completely
Now,
depends
after
on.
AWS, maybe we will go one more time the whole thing again. I mean, just like quickly from one to another end to end.
Yep.
AWS before we go on to the shell scripting.
Mm.
One class it will be like end to end. That's
Mm.
it.
Mm-hmm.
So that we will know like what are all we have created, how to
Yeah,
create and
no
everything.
problem.
Maybe I will
Actually that
guide
I would
you. Just ask me to create this, and I have to do it for you. I will show it to
so
you.
if you want to overview, complete DevOps overview, so I will start while we are starting DevOps tools itself. I will cover, no problem at all, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So and so in CACD it will be useful actually while we are talking about CACD. So these are all whatever Docker, remaining all tools. Why I am keeping CACD last in the sense, first if you know the tools about like Docker, Kubernetes, Maven, all this stuff, this will comes into the Jenkins. If I say first Jenkins, what happens if I talk about Kubernetes, you will be blank. If I talk about Git, you
Mhm.
will be blank. If I talk about Kubernetes, you will be blank. If I talk about Maven, you will be blank, because Maven we are going to use in Jenkins as a plugin, and Docker
Mhm.
we are going to use as a plugin, and Git we are going to use as a plugin. So if you know all
Which
this
tool?
stuff,
Which tool you use all these things? I mean,
Jenkins I'm saying, Jenkins CACD you
Jenkins
are
tool.
talking about,
Okay.
right? See that CACD we should not start early.
Mm.
So if you
Got it.
after
Got it.
covering all those, if I start this CACD only, so then you
Mm.
can understand.
Because the Maven plugin I have used in for automation now,
That's okay, but
no,
not in
in
Jenkins,
Eclipse,
right? Maven
not
you
in
have
Jenkins,
done.
in Eclipse.
Maven you have done in the local system that you actually set up the environment files. Okay, by taking
Yes,
help
yeah.
of
Mhm.
Java
Yeah, yeah.
underscore
Mhm.
home and path you mentioned in the environment variables.
environment variables,
and
yes.
you have used local command line interface, and by taking help of that you build something, right? Java file,
Yeah.
Java related where files, Java related
Yeah.
XML files or something kind of, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you might have a build related to the Java related applications, right? For that, so that is
Yeah.
a manual process. We can use the Maven in the plugin in
Okay.
Jenkins as a
Okay.
plugin.
Okay.
Yeah, right. I think your hubby is there, right? He will help you, right?
I don't think he's into the Jenkins and all that stuff, though.
Okay, okay. He is working
He's
as.
only in the cloud architecture, so
Okay,
he
okay.
knows this stuff. Whatever you're telling me,
Mm-hmm.
he says that this is like for him everyday thing.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't do. I think he just plan it out for people, and then they just do it for him. That's what
Mm-hmm.
he said.
Got it, got it. So he will plan. I understood. He is architect, right? How he can
Architecture,
do
yeah.
all this stuff.
Yeah.
His juniors, juniors will do that.
Juniors, yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, great.
If I learn this, I asked him maybe as a junior, put me in his work.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He's afraid to take it. He's like, so that you will make me work more.
Yeah, I think in front of me, this whatever architects I am creating, this is nothing, I guess.
I don't know. Yeah, you won't say nothing. I mean, everything has some value there. So
Yeah, there is a value, but he is architect. Big level architecture he will design, right? I know that.
yeah, he says he has like group admin access, something like that. To
Mm-hmm.
250 accounts he's managing or something
Yes,
like
yes.
that. Yesterday he was because we were discussing. I told him ask me some questions about AWS. So he was asking me, and then when I was answering him, he's like, "You got the concept, but the terminology you're not getting it right." So I'm like, "Yeah."
All right, that's fine. Well and good. So do
Yeah,
practice
so
continuously.
may tomorrow not available, but let's see on Monday morning for you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Okay.
Okay.
So have
Okay.
a good
Thank you.
day and do more practice.
Yeah.
Consistently do practice. Then you'll be expert. One fine day you will be expert more than me and your hubby. Okay.
No. Yeah.
All right. Do practice. Yeah. Take care.
Okay.
Until then, have a good day tomorrow.
Yes.
Enjoy the day. Bye bye.